Please remain calm, and pay close attention to this alert to stay safe. You must immediately fall asleep. You will be in severe danger if you stay awake. A dream entity is targeting individuals in your area who are awake. It will use a conscious person as a conduit to enter the waking world. It will do this by climbing out of the mouth of a waking person, terminating them. This entity will then be free to interact with our reality. It may be dangerous. To protect yourself and your community, you must fall asleep now. If you are not tired enough to fall asleep, please use force to render yourself unconscious. Thank you for your attention. The situation will be brought under control. Secure. Contain. Protect.